Developing apps is fun, is it not? It is really exciting to take an idea from the back of a paper napkin all the way to the App Store. It is not only fun, but also lucrative. There are tremendous opportunities available out there for app developers and designers all over the world. Android offers an excellent platform for developing and delivering apps. Most of you might already be working on this platform. If so, you would know Android platform and the mobile app industry as a whole have a remarkable future ahead. Smartphones enable us to do a lot these days, from shopping our clothes, booking movie tickets, to ordering groceries and getting them delivered right to our doorsteps. It is hard to believe, but even after all these advancements, there is still a lot of paper-based work happening in the workplace and in everyday lives. There are still untapped opportunities and workflows which need to move to the mobile platform. If you have a good idea, the world is your oyster. You can change the way how people live their lives by introducing a compelling app. You may be working as a freelancer or may have a full-time job as an app developer or architect. Whether you create one app a year or multiple apps in a month, there must have been times when you got tired of looking at long strings of code tangled together into a spaghetti-like mess. This is particularly painful if you have to inherit a legacy code base, add features to it, or fix bugs in it. Make your life easier and building apps fun again by learning tried and tested software architectural patterns. Get a detailed and behind-the-scenes look at Model View Presenter or MVP pattern, which helps make code simple and clean. In this course, you will get a detailed and behind-the-scenes look at Model View Presenter or MVP pattern, which helps make code simple and clean. You also get familiar with other fundamental concepts like dependency injection, reactive programming, unit testing, mock objects, which assist you throughout the app development lifecycle. Learn frameworks like Dagger 2, Retrofit, RxJava, JUnit, Mockito, and others. Gain valuable skills of architecting apps in a flexible and scalable manner. Advance your career and work on more cutting-edge projects out there. I have been in the software industry for roughly 19 years, and I have worked for Fortune 500 companies like Microsoft and Pearson. I have also been in key roles like a technical leader, advisor, and CTO in many startups. During these 2 decades, I have designed and implemented multiple complex apps and web applications. I have applied these concepts, frameworks, and libraries in numerous projects and experienced the first-hand tangible benefits from these architectural patterns. Now I will like to share my knowledge with you. I hope you enjoy the course, and I also hope that this information helps you in furthering your career and streamlining your current or future software projects. So join us on this exciting journey of architecting flexible and scalable Android apps with the MVP pattern.